Wala na?
No, Thursday.
It works now.
Huh?
Mic this. It works now. Charge mo. Okay, tanggalin mo na.
Alright guys, let's go. We're on. Welcome to City Hoops Season 20.
We're third game.
Week 5, our third game of the night between Union City versus San Ramon. This is gonna be Pau versus Anthony. I want to see the matchup. A defensive guy versus the offensive guy. But for me, I always stick with the defensive guy. Here we go. Stay tuned, guys. Starting lineup for San Ramon, playing center, Mr. Calvin Soriano, power forward, Benji Kawikan, small forward, Anthony,
Two more, Tony, two more.
shooting guard, rookie Jaden, and their head coach, point guard, Smash.
Pause here.
My
Ano? Stop mo ba? Ano? Gandang laban niya.
Kasi
Hinahanap kasi din doon. Ako
Ryan
yung
Flores.
commentary. He said, as long as it's on the...
Dindo?
Yeah.
nakita sa sa Boracay wala ka nagawa, no, 0 points. Here we go guys, good luck for both teams. Play safe and play fair. Ryan! Oh, rebound by...
Hey Ryan, 4!
Jer from downtown. Rebound by... Dating mag-BFF. Oh, 2 points!
Oh, yeah, you're right. Hey, they're going the wrong way. Yeah, they're going No, it's... 0-0. Seriously, they're going the wrong way.
Rebound by Zach. Justin. Rebound still by Ryan.
Black, may foul.
Rebound by Zach to Justin for 3. Rebound by Ryan. My distant cousin from on my grandma's side, Flores.
Sabi mo? Siya ba sa foul? Where is Charles?
Charles? Flores?
My distant cousin. No, my cousin. My uncle.
Put back by Calvin. Oh! Oh my goodness! Wow! Ayaw talaga. Wow. Sorry, Calvin. Not today. That's a jump ball, right? Yeah. Yep. That's jump ball. I'll watch. See you. Hey, take care of the issue, right?
Charles, next week again?
What, same thing?
Yeah.
11 my minutes?
Oh, Pau versus Calvin. Former teammates from last season. Look at that. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Oh, I thought they already. Hey, Kobe. I thought they already fixed it. I thought they already fixed it. Oh, that's why I wasn't saying anything. I thought they fixed it already.
No, that's what I told her before.
And she still can't figure it out. Man, hey, Coach,
2 point by
for 4
Martin.
minutes, they're going to roll.
Assist by Benji.
For 4 minutes, they're going to roll.
All right. It's okay. We're just ranked. Look at that spin by Pow! Woohoo! Spin to the 360 move. Jaden for 3. Rebound by Pow!
Oh, still by Anthony.
Anthony.
Still by Pau again. Pau. Got it back.
Zach for 3! Ta-da-da! Welcome to City Hoops OG.
He's playing in a 15 over.
He's playing to 15 over now. Thanks to Dennis.
He's the
5-2.
he's a franchise player now.
Rebound by Jaden. Here comes Uncle Ryan. Uncle. To Anthony. That's a close. Oh, block by Zach! Block by Zach! Oh my goodness. Not in my house, baby. He's doing that on Wednesday league, man. He got 5 blocks last time. Rebound by Powell. Here comes the captain. To Zach again. Zach. Oh, that's a 50. That's a 50 over boost. You see this ball. Rebound by Jaden. Here comes Anthony. Next time, 2 points.
Assist. Hey, who passed that?
Jaden. Sometimes you gotta pay attention, then. You're watching the same game I'm watching. And you're just doing that and doing this and that. You know.
Good job. You're doing a good job.
Then, still by Anthony.
Assist.
Ryan, 2 points. Saved by Anthony. Jer for 2. Rebound by Benji. Here comes Anthony for 3. Yes, sir.
Assist by Ryan.
Assist by Ryan.
Kaya ako, kaya nanonood na ako eh.
Yeah, you guys heard that? Assist by Ryan. Hindi, magkano dependent ako ako this week. Diba? Oh! Assist by rebound by Powell. Rebound by Benji. First on Jer.
11.
Yes, 2 for the rookie. Jaden is Ryan's favorite nephew,
But not his favorite uncle.
but not his favorite uncle. Sorry, Jaden. We're just kidding. Another. Yep. Violation of black.
One more shot.
Oh,
Step too early before.
before you shoot the
He faked and he faked what's it? Cover, yeah.
push shot.
No worries. Brian's here. You're here. Once you guys go in, over. No, you fake the step, right? You step, right? That's a violation, right? Zach. Yeah. No, you fake block, that's why. Because he moved first, and then he moved. Right?
Give
Black. By Zach.
another black by Zach. That's his second blacks of the night. 2 point by foul.
Ready for sub?
Get ready for sub. 80 seconds.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Sub. Let's go. Second unit. Second unit.
Nope. Back for what? Pare? Black.
Black 99. Yes, sir. That's coming.
Ginagawang tapos ginagawa niya.
Side gig niya?
Tapos sabi niya, nagamit ng sa paper.
Ano?
Yung market. Yung mag-plans ba?
Ha? Hindi ko makita.
Jalen for three! Wow. Good shot, young fellow. Sure, for three. Oh, rebound by Benji. Jalen for three. No, rebound by Jer. Sure, for three. Sure, 3 points assist by. Yeah, Brian, that's all. Rebound by Benji. Here comes Anthony. 2 points. $15-10. 3 points by Mr. OG. Sinong passing yun? Sinong passing yun?
Pow.
Assist by foul. Oh, yes, sir. That's first on foul.
Yung bilib na kami natin number sa harapan.
Anong numbers?
Sa jersey niya.
Oo, para madaling yun.
Kung ka nga kaya Mark.
Let's go, Jay.
Ay, patch ka. Yung ipaplan siya. Meron siya. Ha? Yung ipaplan siya. Meron pa naman.
Ryan got the coach's seat, so
They like me. Yeah, so they like it.
It's for old people with a backache problem. Right? You're 40 now?
September 2nd.
Ah, nice.
Wow. Elated, bro.
You're too young, man. I wish I'm 40 again, man.
40, I'm still fast, dude. I'm like probably Justin Pineda. 40?
Anyone? No. Blue 19, that's Anthony. First on Mr. Anthony.
Lower, lower.
Varsity Zone is in the house, baby. One more.
Sorry, no, hit it, hit it!
Rebound by Calvin. Put back by Calvin.
Hindi fit siya sa kanya.
Hindi nga, yeah.
Rebound by Anthony. One ball.
Hey guys, somebody dropped this outside, okay? Someone dropped it. But I said outside.
3 points. Who?
No, meron naman silang find my
Yes, who?
device. Yung find my phone, parang gano'n.
Wow.
Alam mo yung find my phone? Yeah, they can find it.
Eighteen 17 in favor of Black. Overpass.
Bad pass.
FYI, Bay Area's hockey
Ano,
team.
sabi mo? Ano mo?
Niners and the Raiders won.
Ano mo?
Hindi na pa, hindi na pa. Hindi na pa.
For 3. Rebound by Come on, Black. That's the first.
Tama.
Who's up? Who's up? Who's up? Sabi mo. Who's up? Who's up? This one or this one? Who's up? This one or this one? This one or this one? Who's up?
Hey guys, sometimes in life, you gotta smile. Laugh about it, talk about it. At the end of the day, it's just basketball.
Someone left their phone over there.
Where?
Where we're sitting. Oh, my dad.
That's probably
Whose phone is this?
Oh, yes, yeah.
Anybody left phone?
Somebody left any?
No? No? Alright, it's gonna be here. Whose number is this? How can I find out?
Yeah. Brian doesn't have a BMW. No. Alexis.
Oh, face doesn't match now. Oh, face doesn't match. Para yung face mo mag-match.
Here we go, guys.
Alright, we're gonna be here.
Welcome back. If you lost your phone, you know where to find it.
It's
right
over here.
on the table, waiting for you. So come and get it. Derek. Good goal by Derek. Man, that's a lucky shot.
Boo Raiders!
Let's go, Niners!
just son.
Rebound by Brian.
Raiders.
Here comes Brian going coast to coast. Woo! Shooting 2. 9-8.
There you go.
Yes, sir. That's Benji. First on
Hey,
Benji.
Ryan, when you shoot 3, yell 4. That 3,
It's the same thing, man. Back in the 90s, I took my wife. I got a ticket for Raiders playoff, right? I took my wife, and
Nagpapabili
that was my fault.
Nagpapabili naman.
Ano? Black?
No. Raiders. Black. Hirap ako maglagay sa card. Oh, yun, di ba? I liked it before they moved to number
11.
Thank you, ma'am.
Second on Jer. Shooting 2 on Anthony.
Eric! Eric!
They're up by 2 points, 2018.
Eric! Are you missing?
Anthony 1.
Alright.
Two for 2 for Anthony. Rebound by George.
Jerry.
Wow. Rebound by Zach. Half for 3. Rebound by Derek. Here comes Ryan. Ryan. Pass it to Anthony. Baseline. 2 points. Raymond for 3. Rebound by Jaden. Here comes Anthony. Rebound by Zach. .8 seconds left. 15 to shoot. 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's concluded our first half score, 24-18, San Ramon.
Thank you, sir. Hindi, okay lang yan.
Wala to?
Ano mo, habang naghihintay ka,
Basta ito?
Yeah. Habang naghihintay, ano mo na. Siguro without.
How? Anong height mo? Anong height mo?
5'11 naman.
5'10 o 5'11?
With shoes or without? So 5'10 ka without shoes. Kasi matangad ka rin yan. So magasing ka yan.
Pagkata ko ng konti.
5'6 lang si Nelson, di ba?
So, pwede na kami magkampi.
Ano?
Pwede na kami
Nagkampi na kayo nun eh.
Hindi.
Wala na, talo naman. Hindi, it doesn't work. Ano, you're not gonna be here?
Who?
You.
Huh?
I thought you're not gonna be here. You didn't play. EJ gonna be here? Hey now, EJ playing?
There you go.
EJ?
He's on his way.
Man-to-man o back? Ano ba, man-to-man o back? Ano back?
Hindi ko na-enter yung ano ko eh.
Ano yan?
Enter ko yung mga...
Nagawa
Nag-keep yung ulit yung ano eh.
Ginawa ko.
So, ulit ako.
Ginawa ko din. Ano may monitor ako pala? Gusto mo? Kailangan pala monitor sa table.
Monitor na...
May computer table ako sa isang monitor na pinapagay.
Malaking
Monitor.
ano yung size yun?
Alam ko ano ito eh. 32 yata.
Gusto ko mo mag-setup ng ano. Gusto ko yung may ano.
Let me know.
Kasi gusto ko yung italista pag nag-trade ako sa mga...
Ayun na, buwisit niya. Hindi na ako makapag-trade eh. Trabaho na ako. Tapos yung cubicle namin, alam mo hindi sarado yung...
Oh, yeah?
O pag naglalakad ka, makikita mo.
Oh, shit.
Wala na.
Hindi yung sarado yung ano.
Left, hindi na. Wala na.
Wala kang
Sarap,
privacy.
sarap. Wala na, wala. Ah, hindi ko na picture up. Kung gusto mo pare, saka table. Kung gusto mo table, computer table. Kailangan ba ng mga bata?
Ano pa ano yun? Kasi wala yung...
Ito, computer table.
Ano yung pwede yung ano dyan?
Kita ko naman yung table na yan. Computer table. Yan, pinamimigay ko. Saka gusto mo ng printer? Palitan mo lang ng ink.
May printer na ano.
Yeah, inaano ko. I don't need that computer. Yung computer table. Kung gusto mo ba, let me know.
Tignan ko yung ano. Tignan ko lang yung ako. Wala akong space.
Picture, saka, let me know, man, bago ipamigay.
Kailan mo ano? Kita ako sa one time.
I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you.
Pero gusto ko yung ano.
Yung setup na.
You set up to... You have a training.
Yeah, may hirap. Tagal naman.
Sila boys, ayun na. Ang third game of night between June City and Shalom. Rebound by Ryan. Rebound by Powell. Two points by Powell.
Too easy.
Too easy for Powell.
10.
Eight. Rebound by Ryan.
All the way, Brian.
2 points by Ryan. Two points by Anthony. 26-22. Solomon. Rebound by Benji. Here comes Jaden. Rebound by Brian.
White 8.
Ready? First on Justin. First team foul. Big fellow. Two for two, boy. 28-22. Five for three. Rebound by Justin. Two points, five.
One coming! Look up, look up!
Rebound by Jaden. Two-point by Corbin. Assist by Jaden. Here comes foul.
Is that black?
Two
Wow.
points. What a shot by foul. It's a close game, 30-26. Anybody's ball game. Plenty of time. Second unit, get ready.
Pass.
Rebound by Brian.
Spain. Black.
Come on.
Spain. I saw it. Let's do the switch. Hey, let's do the switch. Yeah. Let's do the switch.
Let's do the switch, guys. Second unit. Mandatory's up. Let's go. Rebound by Brian.
Coast to coast. Still.
Rebound Jaden. Jaden to Ryan Flores.
Nice pass.
Oh, nice pass by Jaden Ryan to Corbin for two. Second assist by Ryan. Mark, rebound by Ryan. Rebound by Zach.
Oh.
Rebound by Black 99. The second on Corbin. First team foul for San Ramon.
Wala.
Rebound by Mark. Wow. Rebound by Derek.
Nice, nice.
2-point by Jalen.
Assist, Derek.
Assist by Derek.
Derek.
34-26.
So, yung bago mong binili, ano expected mong binili? Ni-research mo ba? Okay ba? O ano?
Rebound by Derek.
Ano tingin mo?
50-something.
So yung...
2-point by Anthony.
So sa binili mo, ano expected mo ngayon? Ano expected mo monthly bibigay sa'yo? Nasa 200 shows.
Oh, Steve Ryan.
Ano mo ginawa ng ano?
Oh!
Ano mo ginawa ng ano?
Put back by Jalen.
Hindi mo ginawa. Hindi mo ginawa ng ano? Visibility?
Hindi. Meron yung program, di ba? Gagawin mo
So,
lang.
hindi mo tinagdan sa ganun. Magkano mo? I wanna know kung magkano. Kasi kung
Rebound by Kobe.
Kasi di ba alam mo may target ako? I need to make that 24K.
Rebound by...
Meron bang 24? Close ko na ba sa 24K?
Rebound by Pa. Sama Black. That's their first.
38-29.
Score 38-29. Serve the ball.
Black.
Black.
Hindi na ako may dito. Kasi yung binigay green field sa tatlo. Ayun naman ako. So meron ako. Sa binigay mong ganun, sa ganun, magkano rin expect? Siguro ganun. Yung isa mong AMG, ano nilibig? Ano yun? Okay, ano wala na akong wala na akong luxury yun. No, I just wanna know. I know, ganun yung go. I wanna know kung magkano yun. So I know what to do. Yung SPYI, nag-reduce ka lang. I think ko hindi ko pa binibenta yung SPYI.
Hindi, kasi may bumili ako ng ano yun eh. Bumili ako ng marami yun.
Nagbawas ka lang.
Oo, nagbawas lang ako kasi inano ko kasi ilang beses na yung sabi ko, binili kong 1 position sa
Magkano?
kasi sabi mo,
Yeah,
diba?
magkano?
50 cents?
So times 200? A month? A year? A month? No.
Hindi 1,000, dude.
Give me the number. Traveling.
Oh, times ano yan? Oh. Yan. Oh. 200 lang.
So kung apat yun, sabihin mo ng pareho? Sa mga ganang 400. At 200 mo yun.
Rebound by Brian. Two-point by Kyle. $38-31 Black. That's Mark. First on Mark. Second team fouls.
Shooting 2 for Calvin.
Don't force it. Take the second. Take the second. Teka lang, di ba? Isa ang video mo. Tingnan natin mo. Let's go, Cal.
Yung pinenta ko yung sa akin. Yung mga luma.
Yung mga 6% na yung mga
Meron akong AT&T.
shit. Forget that.
400 cheers. Yung bebenta ko na.
Tulog yun, no?
Ayun.
Almost
6 seconds.
6 seconds. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. Now, say it.
Offense up, boys. Offense up.
No.
Continue.
Continue.
I'm sorry.
No, we did the switch already.
You did the switch. Okay. Sorry. My fault. Was dancing 7. Yeah. Stop. You can stop now.
No. It wasn't a dead ball. It wasn't a dead ball. Alright, that was a dead ball.
Rebound by
So, Dindo's busy about stocks.
Seized by
Foul. Huh?
Saka yung loss ko.
Oh.
Sabi ko, winning to win mga 1 over 1. Ano pa, 16 months. Kaya na.
Oh, yeah.
You know, diba? Tagal lang naghintay dito.
Isa ko nga, down ako.
Meron ako.
Ay, sabi na yun?
Yung sa akin, yung passer. Meron akong passer.
Ah,
Hinangaputin din.
walang ibibiling galing.
rebound by Calvin.
Pero yun,
Well, so far so good. Kailan yung ano? Andy? Kailan?
sabi ka na.
Ay, no. Nakikita ko yung shot.
Number 15. Next week.
Okay. Next week?
Yep.
Eh, yung isa, yung beat. Nagano ka ba doon? Nag-invest ka ba doon? Hindi ka nag-invest?
Hindi papumasok.
Mababa ngayon, pare. Down nga, mababa ngayon. Nasa 99. Yeah, matagal yung pero na ako.
Rebound by Justin.
Ryan coming in? Come on, go. I want you. Huh?
Come on, Ryan.
Come on, Ryan.
43-34.
Hey, it's boring if you're not inside.
Money, baby! Yes, sir. Assist by Jer.
Zach.
Zach, first on Zach. 13 fouls. That's a smart move by the Baron.
Sabi ko, hindi na ako ng 14 months. Probably gonna.
Yung ano ko ngayon, yung projected ko yung ano ko, 97 a year.
Woo! Additional.
Pero mali yung ano yun.
Okay.
Sorry, my bad. It's Dindo. Nakamay. Narinig ko yung phone natin.
Jer.
Money.
Nice shot.
Rebound by Derek. In and out. Rebound by Jure.
Foul, Jaden.
Foul, Jaden. That's his first. Second team foul. 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining.
How can you miss that, Anthony? I'm just kidding, Anthony.
We need more cases.
Niloloko ka ni Dito eh. Sabi niya, he can make that.
We need more brigade. Jure from downtown! Tarara! Tarara!
Announce the score.
3 point by Jure, assist by foul.
Score 44-40. Nice. Calvin 50. You got the foul, right? No. Assist, who's the number again, please? 4. Yes, 4. Assist by Ryan. And then 2 for Calvin, right? You got that, right?
Second.
2 Calvin, right? You got it? Back with Calvin.
47-40. We have a ball game, guys. This is a close game. Rebound by foul. Rebound by Calvin. Steal by. Rebound by Benji.
Are you gonna go in? No.
Hey, Ryan, I'm coming in the next
This is just a 3 possession away.
Come here.
Rebound by
Jaden for 2. Wala na ganyan siya. Jaden. Yun, may natutunan din sa ano. Ay? May natutunan din guys.
almost hit by Justin. Yeah, over.
Yep.
Good defense by Justin. Back on violation by number 22. Here we go. Zach. Calvin, that's his third on Calvin. 13 fouls.
I'm a liability, so they had to take
Next one or right now? Oh
Yeah,
no,
next one.
No, this one right now.
after this one.
Yeah.
They took me out. I'm a liability.
No, because you missed that shot.
No, that's it. Layup. Good team.
Patalo ba sila?
Yeah. Nagpapalik.
Money.
Opens up, guy. Oh, no. Go. Last 2 minutes. Shot clock is on. $15, 14. Steal.
Ryan foul.
Ryan. Versus Ryan. 14 fouls. Jump for 3. Booyah! 49-44. Black. 15 to shoot. 15 to shoot. 10. 7. Rebound by Justin.
Sure, 14.
Rebound by
Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off.
11. Shot clock is off. Third on Jure. 15 fouls. Justin, second on Justin. 16 foul. Nice one. One on one. First on Brian, 101.
18 fouls. 49-44.
That's 18 fouls.
49-44.
49-44 in favor of Black.
They're down.
No, I know, but I thought it was more.
Oh, yeah, it's close.
Rebound by Brian. Timeout White. That's the first.
49-44.
49-44 in favor of Black. 17 seconds left of the first half. Hold on, let's go.
One more, Ish. One more. I'm ready to go home. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tignan si Tignan. Tignan si Tignan. Yep. Pareho sila.
Again, welcome back. Score 49-44. San Ramon, Black is up by 5 points. 17 seconds left.
Ang dami rebound na.
One rebound. That's the foul.
Timeout, Brown.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, White.
What? Okay, come on.
Yeah, right?
It's our ball. We didn't call any turn. Point the timeout. Yeah, but the call wasn't. The clock's supposed to stop, right? After a shot?
No, it's not only on dead ball. That's well, I heard it.
That's it. Final score 49-46. San Ramon.